Well, it's that time of year again. Daylight savings time. The time where you just magically lose an hour for some reason. And because of that, your phone in the middle of the night is just going to change randomly to make you lose an hour. All of a sudden around 2 a.m., it's going to say 3 a.m. But if you have a dash camera, well, that's not going to automatically change for you. You need to log in and manually change that. So in this video, we're going to go over some of the popular dash cameras that we carry and how you can log in and change and turn daylight savings time on in order to correct the time that is on your dash camera. So with the Viofo dash camera, we're going to log in and connect through the Viofo app. We're going to go to the settings option menu, and we're going to scroll down until we actually see daylight savings. And we're going to change it to United States, obviously, because we're in North America. And that is going to change and correct the timer for daylight savings time on your Viofo dash camera. On the Vueroid, you simply connect to the unit, go directly into the settings menu, and then scroll down until you see daylight savings time. You flick the switch, turn it on, and just like that, your daylight savings time is set on the Vueroid dash camera. On your Thinkware dash camera, you log in and go directly to the settings menu. Once logged into the settings menu, you actually go to System Settings. You scroll down in System Settings and you're going to find Daylight Savings, and you just literally go enable it, and your Daylight Savings is now enabled on your Thinkware dash camera. For your Blackvue dash camera, you go directly to Camera Settings. Join the network. Once you've joined the network on Camera Settings, it's going to pop up to their main menu, and you're going to click on System. Once you click on System, you can scroll down and turn daylight savings time on. And once you've turned it on, now your time is corrected on your Blackvue dash camera.